To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello, I'm Harsha Sharma and welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. While we all wait to get vaccinated, let's not forget the fast-tracked vaccine should be both effective and safe for use. To ensure this, stringent clinical trials are being conducted for the promising candidate vaccines. Recently, the result of the Phase 1 clinical trial of an indigenous COVID vaccine, Covaxin, were reported, as per which the vaccine is safe for use. This indigenous COVID-19 vaccine is being developed by a partnership between the Indian Council of Medical Research or ICMR and Hyderabad-based company Bharat Biotech. The results of Phase 1 clinical trials found it to be well tolerated in all dose groups and found that it generates an immune response. The results were released in a preprint paper titled A Phase 1 Safety and Immunogenicity Trial of an Inactivated SARS-CoV-2 Vaccine BBV152. The Phase 1 trials were placebo-controlled, randomized, double-blind trials where the safety and immune response generating capability of the vaccine was tested. A total of 375 participants were tested and the vaccine was administered to them on day 0 and 14th day. The primary outcomes were reactogenicity and safety. Although there was one adverse reaction in a patient during the trial, it was found to be unrelated to the vaccine. Researchers from Bharat Biotech, ICMR, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, New Delhi and Patna and several other institutes participated in the analysis. To ensure that the vaccine is effective for all the Indians, the trial was conducted on volunteers from diverse geographic locations and socio-economic conditions. Bharat Biotech is currently conducting Phase 3 trials of its vaccine and has applied to the Drugs Controller General of India for an emergency use authorization, as have Pfizer and the Serum Institute of India for vaccines they are developing respectively. As the coronavirus bared its fang early this year, various vaccine development efforts commenced globally. In India as well, various vaccines are being developed using different approaches. While few are already in clinical trial stage, various others are being simultaneously approved for conducting clinical trials after a thorough review. One among them is novel indigenous mRNA vaccine candidate HGCU19 has been developed by Genova, Pune. This vaccine development was supported by grants from the CEPI mission of the Department of Biotechnology. This is India's first mRNA vaccine which has been given permission for human clinical trials. Genova's mRNA vaccine has already demonstrated safety and immunogenicity in animals. The USP of this vaccine is that it can stay stable at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius and therefore will not require more expensive cold storage facilities. The mRNA vaccine is considered safe as is non-infectious, non-integrating in nature and degraded by standard cellular mechanisms. The mRNA vaccine do not use the conventional model to produce an immune response. Instead, the mRNA vaccine carries the molecular instructions to make the protein in the body through a synthetic RNA of the virus. The host body uses this to produce the viral protein that is recognized and thereby making the body mount an immune response against the disease. mRNA-based vaccines are scientifically the ideal choice to address a pandemic because of their rapid developmental timeline. After Britain, corona vaccination has also started in the US. Other countries are also gearing up to start the COVID-19 vaccination program in their respective countries. Given the large population, COVID vaccination program is going to be conducted on a large scale in India, where Government of India plans to vaccinate 300 million people in the next 6 to 8 months. According to the recent guidelines issued by the central government regarding the coronavirus vaccine campaign, health workers, advanced front personnel, and people above 50 years of age will be vaccinated. After this, people below the age of 50 with severe disease and the rest of the population will be vaccinated, depending on the epidemic situation and the availability of the vaccine. The COVID Vaccine Intelligence Network, that is, CoWIN system, will be used to locate the beneficiaries listed for vaccination. 12 photo identity documents including voter ID card, Aadhaar card, driving license, passport and pension document can be used for self-registration on the CoWIN website. To make this comprehensive vaccination campaign a success, 29,000 cold chain points, 240 walk-in coolers, 70 walk-in freezers, 45,000 ice-lined refrigerators, 41,000 deep freezers and arrangements are being made to use 300 solar refrigerators. The vaccines that India is eyeing include AstraZeneca, Sputnik of Russia, Zydus Cadila and indigenous Bharat Biotech. That's all for now. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. We'll be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.